So we're back with yet again another product from Comfier. This time we're checking out a seat cushion. Let's open this up and see what comes inside. That just fell right out. Okay, so here is the little charging base, and then this is the seat cushion. When we say seat cushion, of course, we mean like a full seat, by the way. Got your little user manual, your little warranty card information, and then we have the actual device. This is the back side. It's going to go on through the little bubbles here to prevent it from slipping and sliding. You got your power control head here, power, seat heat, back heat. You've got, it looks like 5 different types of modes: pull station, tapping, rolling, auto, and eating. Intensity, high, medium, low, and then you can activate the seat, lower back, upper back, and neck, depending on your needs. Needs. Funny. Real funny. That is nice and soft. The padding is good, so I don't think you feel like it's going to cut into you. And then it tells a little bit of information about the modes that we just talked about. Pretty straightforward. You can toggle on and off whatever areas you want. Pretty sweet. Well, this one we're definitely going to have to go plug in and give it a try so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, no, it's going to definitely be one that I can't show you right here. We'll be right back. I have to say that top strap and the back strap were very helpful keeping it in place on the chair without it moving around, which is great. But my favorite, feature of the unit, not including the massaging, of course, has got to be that little pouch for the remote to go into, and slides right there, holds in position. A lot of other units, they just drop on the floor or they just dangle there, but that's a really nice, well thought out idea from the creators to make sure that you're not damaging that control unit. Really, really smart. Well, hopefully you guys like this one. You pick up one for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.